Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest Dogecoin update, the future price prediction for 2026, and some major Doge news you don't want to miss. Dogecoin started as a meme back in 2013, but now it's in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap, thanks to its strong community and major support from Elon Musk. As of April 2025, here's what's buzzing. Elon Musk's X, formerly Twitter, is still testing Dogecoin payments for tipping and creators. A recent Dogecoin core update boosted both speed and security, making Doge more practical for daily use. Developers are even testing a Dogecoin Ethereum bridge, which could bring Doge into the world of DeFi and smart contracts. So what about the future? Analysts predict Dogecoin could hit 90 cents by the end of 2025. With the current price around 10 cents, that's a potential 9x gain in just 7 to 8 months. Huge news for holders. As always, do your own research before investing. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest crypto updates. See you in the next one.